वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज के इस वीडियो में आज हम सीखेंगे पैराग्राफ एंड हेडिंग टैग के साथ एट्रीब्यूट कैसे यूज़ करते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं पैराग्राफ और हेडिंग टैग में कौन कौन से एट्रीब्यूट का हम यूज कर सकते हैं। वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट विथ हेडिंग एंड पैराग्राफ टैग्स। सो let's know what we are going to learn today. So first we will learn about paragraph tag and attribute with it. We will use align attribute with paragraph. An align attribute has 4 properties: left, right, center and justify. Along with align, paragraph also have many other attributes like id, class, style and some other also. In the same way we will learn about heading tag and its attribute, and heading tag have align attribute. The property is right, left, center and justify. So heading is used to define heading for a content or paragraph, and heading has 6 levels: h1 to h6. h1 is the largest font size and h6 has the smallest font size. It also looks darker than other text. So heading tag also have many other attributes like style, id, class and so on. So here we will only learn about the align attribute and its properties. Rest of attribute we will learn later, so that we have good idea of those attributes of heading and paragraph tag. So let's start coding. First I am going to create a paragraph, and paragraph have default alignment is left. So default, it shows the content left side. I have written a sentence. This is a new paragraph. I am going to save and going to see the result in the browser. So this is the paragraph with the default alignment is left. Now I am going to apply align attribute, and first I am going to apply right property. So with the align attribute I am going to put right. After refreshing the page, I am seeing the result that the content has been aligned at the right side. So whenever you want to align the right side, you need to put right property with the align attribute. Now I am going to put center alignment, and for this we have put center property. After refreshing the page, you can see that the content is in the center. So center is used to put the content at the center point of the paragraph. And we can also use left alignment, because default alignment of paragraph is left. So if we are not putting the left alignment, it will also show the paragraph at left side default. And last, I am going to tell you about the justified property of the align attribute. For this you need to put long content, and justify is used to equalize the line of both side, right and left. So we have used justify property with the align attribute, and after refreshing the page, we can see that both right and left line has been justified. So both side of the paragraph, right and left side, has been justified. So line has been equalized. Now I am going to tell you about heading tags. Heading is used to put heading of the content or a paragraph. So I have applied here h1 heading. After saving and refreshing the page, we can see that heading 1 h1 has the largest font size. Now I am going to apply h2 tag. h2 is the smaller than h1 tag. So h2 has the smaller font size than h1. Now I am going to apply h6 heading. h6 has the smallest font size. After saving the page and refreshing on the web browser, we can see the effect clearly. It has the smallest font size. So this is our heading tag. Now I am going to apply align attribute with the heading tag. So first I am putting h1 means heading label first one, and putting align attribute, and I am using here center property with the h1 tag. So after saving and refreshing the page, we can see that heading is at the center point of the paragraph. So to display the center effect, we can use center attribute. So in the same way we have used with the paragraph. So align attribute works with the heading tag in the same way as we have used with the paragraph tag: right, left, center and justify. Center is the center to display the effect in the center, right for the right side, left for the left side, and justify to justify the content. So that's all for the today, friends. In our next class and in our next video, we will learn some other tags. We will learn about some other tags in HTML. And please subscribe my channel, like my video, and also put positive comment for this video. Thank you. Thanks.